Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Project here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to change Google account name. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe at the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, to open the Google, here you can open it by three ways. The first option, we just have to open the Google applications like this. Or here you can also open it by settings, because on Android there are Google settings, guys. You just have to scroll it down and we'll see here the Google options. Or also here you can slide it to the left like this. This is the Google's page. You just have to tap on this icon at the top right in the corner of your phone. And now in this page, tap on this Google account. You just have to scroll it down until we'll see here the personal info. And we'll see here the name option, guys. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on it. And now in this page, you just have to choose the name that you want to enter it. For the example here, for the name, I'm going to change it. I'm going to tap on it. And now I'm going to change for the first name here. And then for the surname, I'm going to erase it. It's optional, guys. If you want to still use the surname, you just have to change it. But here I prefer to use only first name. And after, tap on the save button here at the bottom. And as you can see, for my Google account's name, it's already changed. So I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.